Hi. We are pleased to introduce Symbiosis Staking, a simple way to use your SIS tokens and earn income. In this short video, I will show you how to delegate SIS, choose a validator, and withdraw tokens back if needed. It's all simple and will take 2 minutes. Let's figure it out. So, what is Symbiosis Staking and why delegate SIS? Symbiosis Staking allows you to earn income by delegating tokens to validators who ensure the network's operation. You support decentralization and earn about 25% annually in SIS. Let's move on to step 1, choosing a validator. This is an important step that directly affects your income. To make the right decision, you need to understand who a validator is, who a delegator is, and what the parameters in the table mean. So, a validator is a network participant who runs a relayer node and stakes funds, ensuring its operation. For stable work, they receive rewards. A delegator is a user who transfers their SIS tokens to a validator, thereby supporting their work. For this, the delegator receives a portion of the rewards earned by the node. You can choose one or several validators to participate in staking. On the main staking page, you can see a table with a list of all available validators. To choose a suitable one, let's briefly go through what each parameter in the table means. Most importantly, choose a validator with an active status and high uptime. Now let's quickly go through what each parameter means. Total SIS staked, how many tokens the validator has in stake, including their own funds and those delegated to them. Start epoch, when they began participating in staking. Uptime, how many epochs the validator has not missed. 100% is excellent. Next APR, this is the annual yield. Status, this is the current state of the validator. You can only delegate to those with active status. Let's open the Peer 2 node as an example and see what we can learn about it before delegation. After clicking on Details, the validator page opens. Here you'll find all the information that will help you make a decision. The overview block contains basic information, where we can see operating since. This is the time when the validator started working. Validator stake, this is how much SIS it has staked itself. And relayer node address, this is the address of its relayer node. Next is the symbiotic staking overview block. It shows whether the validator participates in symbiotic staking. This is an additional signal of its reliability. Next, tables with statistics. The first reward history shows the history of all rewards paid out by this node for each epoch. Next is staking history. All delegation and withdrawal actions. By quickly examining these sections, you can evaluate the stability of the validator before delegation. Let's say validator pair 2 suits us. We click the Delegate button and proceed to the next step. Here you specify the amount, minimum 10 SIS. The tokens must be on the Arbitrum network, as staking operates specifically on this network. If your tokens are on another network or you don't have them yet, you can click Get SIS to buy them directly in the required network, use the swap, or transfer them through Arbitrum Bridge. After entering the amount, click Next Step. Check the details and confirm the action. First click Approve and then Delegate. All done. Let's return to the validator page. After a couple of minutes, you will see your transaction in the staking history section. First, it will be in pending status, and after the epoch changes, it will become active, and the Delegate More button will appear. You can increase your stake, and the Withdraw button will become active after the next epoch. You will be able to withdraw your SIS back. If you have SIS tokens, be sure to participate in staking, support the network, and earn up to 25% annually. See you in the next video.